Today I want to be talking about a little bit controversial topic. This video is not about copying, it's about thinking smarter. I used to think that being original was my edge. Actually, it was my excuse. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Alan, and I've been on YouTube for roughly 12 years. I want to really hammer this home because I want to be challenging the old beliefs or the things that people always tell you. Everybody tells you, be different, stand out, break the mold, make something that nobody has seen before. Well, on YouTube, I thought that my job was to be different. New ideas, never done before. That sounds smart, but actually, it caused problems. You see, the main point is just because something is different, that doesn't mean that people want to click it. Different can mean confusing or unclear or low demand. And previously, my mistake was that if an idea felt exciting to me, I approved it without question, without hesitation. I did not ask if it was proven. I did not check if it worked for the others. I trusted my feeling too much. Do understand, there's nothing wrong with trusting your feeling if you have been doing this for a very long time and you've seen what works, seen what doesn't. Now that's called intuition, which has been learned and trained. But when you're just starting out on YouTube, what you want to do is you want to stick with what's proven until you develop a taste and understanding what works. So now my main question is, where's the proof? Has this format worked before? Is there a demand? If there is no proof, I slow down. Big creators do not invent new formats every week. They use what works, then they improve it. Better angle, better packaging, better clarity. That is smarter than gambling. Now let's discuss reach versus authority. Now every idea has a goal. Reach means grow fast. Authority means go deep in one topic. So before, it was random. Now I choose on purpose which type of video I want to make. And that's really important because it approaches how you're gonna make your content. Remember, good ideas should survive questions. If idea falls apart under pressure, it was weak. My new system makes me justify ideas. If I cannot explain it clearly, I just kill it. So the main shift in the mindset is that ideas are no longer exciting just because they're new. They're exciting because they're strong. Now I feel calm, not hopeful, calm. So stop trying to be original on the time. Start improving on what already works. That change alone will make your channel more stable while you're growing, developing your own taste, and understanding what works. In the next episode, I'm gonna show you how packaging first changes everything. So if you're interested for that, click this video next and I'll see you on the other side.